In this video, I will show how to take a screenshot in PDF. So firstly, open your PDF document in any PDF reader, software, or any browser. So as we can see, we have this PDF and we need a screenshot for this particular page. Press Shift Windows key plus S. Shift Windows key plus S. Now here, drag and drop. So draw as you need and drop it. Now you have this screenshot for this area. You can access this. You can access it. Open File Explorer, Pictures, and click on Screenshots. So you have this area, a snapshot here. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.